Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how I wax my underarms. First, you're going to need a wax warmer, some hard wax, cornstarch, and some wax applicators. You're going to go ahead and turn the wax to the highest setting, apply your wax beads, allow the wax to melt. Check on the wax to make sure that it has melted. Once it has melted, you want to go ahead and turn the temperature back up between 160 and 180. Now your wax is ready. It should look like honey or molasses, and you are ready to go ahead and start waxing. All of these products will be linked down below and can be found on Amazon. My armpits do look fairly bad right now, but I'm gonna go ahead and apply the cornstarch under my armpits. I don't use baby powder due to the cancerous agents that are in it. I'm gonna go ahead and apply the wax in the direction of the hair growth and making sure I go ahead and swoop the bottom so that I can have a lip to grab onto when I am pulling the wax. So I'm making sure that I'm getting all of the area thoroughly covered so that so I can just rip it off in one pass. Now I'm gonna go ahead and let the wax dry off. This wax dries fairly fast, so now I'm gonna go ahead and rip it all off in one big pull. Yes, it did hurt, and I am gonna go ahead and show you all those little white things that you see. That means that the hair came off directly out from the root. So the hair is being pulled directly from the root compared to when you're shaving. You're just literally cutting the hair off the surface, so you will have all the little black dots underneath your underpits. We don't want that. We want a cute, smooth underpit. So I transitioned over to wax. While we are here, I'm gonna go ahead and give you a little background about why my armpits are so dark. I did get a Nair burn about a year ago, and it is still healing. So I have went ahead and transferred over to waxing so that I can be able to help lighten it over time and be able to have a smooth armpit for like 2 weeks. Now I'm gonna go ahead and repeat those same directions that I did originally. This is my third time doing this by myself, so I did get a lot better now, but before, trust me, it took me some time to be able to get like this. I am not a professional, so don't come for me. All right, now I'm just going in with some cleanup strips. As you can see, I am making sure that the wax is pressed into my skin so that it can grab every single little hair that's underneath there and that needs to be pulled out. I prefer this method and this waxing because it just, over time, my armpits are smooth and it lasts a lot longer than shaving. You want to make sure you're using the tip of the applicator to go ahead and work the wax to the areas that you want it to be so that you can get a thin application and that it's not lumpy. The lumpier it is, you're more likely to miss some spots. So you want to make sure you get it as flat as possible, and then we're going to go ahead and pull in the opposite direction. Now I'm taking some witch hazel to go ahead and clean the area up. It does help with removing all of that baby powder and to cool down the area and soothe it from all of that pulling and tugging and irritation. They look very smooth to me and all the hair is gone. So now I'm going in with the Cool Fix. This is a targeted gel lotion which is used to target ingrown hair, razor bumps, and razor burns. And I'm applying it to my underpits. Alright y'all, you have come to the end of this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and let me know down below if you ever tried waxing at home and what are your thoughts of it.